In this video, I'll give you a quick overview of the basic functions of the Manage Sheet Groups feature. It's mainly intended for developers and provides helpful tools for working efficiently with sheet groups in DigiPara Liftdesigner. Depending on which libraries are installed from the Liftdesigner Cloud, the list of available sheet groups may vary or expand. To access the Manage Sheet Groups dialog, go to the Sheet tab and click the Manage Sheet Groups button. Once the dialog is open, you will see a list of available sheet groups. This list is generated from the data you've downloaded to your data pool. If your project includes sheets for different countries or languages, you need to select a sheet country before you can load a group. After selecting a country, you'll also be able to filter the group using option tags. These tags are country-specific and predefined in the DigiPara Liftdesigner Data Manager. If you want to unload a sheet group, click on the Clear link. Please note that how the unloading works depends on the options selected in the dialog. To apply any action, whether loading, unloading, or reloading sheets, you must click the Execute button. No changes will be made until you do. The dialog also shows the number of currently loaded sheets. You can view these in the Sheet List section, which dynamically updates when the project changes. For example, adjusting the shaft height will immediately affect which sheets are shown. New sheets, based on the defined rules in the Data Manager, will be displayed automatically. There are also different sheet modes that affect how sheets behave in response to changes. Automatically is the default mode. It means the sheets will automatically react to changes in the project, the selected country, or the option tags. They will be updated or unloaded as needed. Ignore mode keeps the sheet unchanged, even if the project settings are modified. This is helpful when you want to prevent automatic updates temporarily. Never load completely disables a sheet. If it was loaded before, it will be removed. If you close the dialog without pressing Execute, no changes will be applied. When you reopen it, your sheet selection will stay the same, unless the project has been changed. Even if a sheet gets unloaded, it still remains visible in the list and can be reloaded at any time. And that's it! You now know how to manage sheet groups in DigiPara Liftdesigner. Thank you for watching.